Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is day 6 of Billmas. Yay! So today I'm going to tell you about a glitch that is going on. So you really need to hurry up and put your order in. And this is at Target. If you Google Target Photo and you click the first link, it will take you to targetphoto.com. Right now they have a lot of different promotions going on. The one that we're going to focus on for this video is the all cards 35% off, first 10 free plus 25% off everything else. Enter cards 35 at checkout. Offer ends December 11th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Applies to ship to home orders only. So you have to have this shipped to home if you do it. But go ahead and click that and choose whatever style card that you want. They have plenty to choose from. I'm trying to be quick about this so you guys can see how to do it and go ahead and put your order in. So I'm just going to click a random one. This is the Mary Mary 5x7 card. Scroll down. I want to put in a quantity of 10. The way that you have to do this, you have to get 10 of whatever card it is that you want, and then get 10 of another card that you want, and so forth and so on, however many that you want. But you need to do it in quantities of 10 for a single design. And pick all of the options that they require you to pick. Make sure you have a quantity of 10. Then go ahead and click Get Started. This one is as low as $2. Once you click Get Started, it's going to tell you to go ahead and personalize the card by adding your photos. So it says customize your product. You can personalize your product in many different ways. Select the surface, a photo, a text, or any other graphic element to access its customization options. Note that some elements may not be selectable. And then you can go ahead and go through here and edit your photo. For the sake of keeping this short, so you can go ahead and put your order in. I'll let you all figure that part out. But once you get done designing it, then in the top right corner, you can see the add to cart button. So it's going to add $2 to the cart. Right now it's telling me that I didn't put any photos in my project, which I know. So I'm going to go ahead and add to cart, but it's also telling me there are no spelling or grammatical mistakes and that my photos are displayed correctly, even though I didn't even add any. But they have those features in to help you out when you do make your card. But it's adding it to the cart now. Okay, so it says you added Mary Mary 5x7 card to your shopping cart. So it's showing me that I have a subtotal due online of $20 because I got 10 of the $2 cards. Do you have a coupon code? Yes, we do. And that is cards 35. Going to apply the discount. Okay, so it says you used coupon code cards 35. So that gives me a total due online of 0 because it's giving me that discount, which is the first 10 for free. So you get those first 10 cards for free, right? Okay, well, the glitch is if you choose another design, you will get those 10 cards for free. Another design, those 10 cards are free, however many it is that you want. The only thing that you will be paying is the shipping. So to get another style of a card, let's go ahead and click continue shopping. Go back through the process again. I'll click the pine cones 5x7 card for this one, as low as $2. I'm going to make the quantity be 10 again. Well, I'll choose everything else. So the occasion, I'll say Merry Christmas. Pick my color, paper type, my trim. I don't know why it keeps unselecting the things that I'm selecting. But anyway, put the quantity to 10. Go ahead and get started. And it says these usually ship within 1 to 2 business days, so you'll get a quick turnaround with these as well. Once again, I'm not going to add any photos. I'm just going to add them to the cart. It's going to let me know that I haven't put any photos in there, but that's okay. If I was doing it for real, I would add them, so make sure that you add your photos. All right. So we have a subtotal of 20 for those and 20 for those, right? Right here, subtotal due online, $40, discount, $40. You can keep going if you want more cards, but I'm going to go ahead and click on proceed to checkout. Okay, so estimated total is 0. They want me to put in my information. Once I put in my information, pick my shipping. So I would probably do the cheapest, the economy. It depends on how fast you need it. It says 9 to 12 business days. It's funny because on the other pages they said delivery is between 1 and 2. Anyway, once you put in all of your information, as you can see if you scroll down, it says that the cart subtotal due online is $40. The discount took off $40 of shipping is $179. So the order total due online is only $1.79, and you're getting 40 cards or more depending on however many you decide to order. So that is the glitch that is on Target Photo right now that I wanted to share with you all. So I hope this was valuable to you all. You can print out your Christmas cards or whatever you need to print some cards out for, and you can do it for a really low price. So once again, my name is Ashley. You've been listening to Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilma's video.